There we go. It makes a sound. Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I am Righty. Hooray for Righty. Fuck Lefty. Hey, you be nice, damn it. I'll bust out my fangs and bite a hole in your neck. Okay, here we go. Today we have leftover mashed potatoes. Right, yeah. And I had biscuits and gravy for supper last night. You can watch how to make the hash browns and all that too on one of the episodes. Gravy and hash browns and egg, I believe I call it. But we're not going to make hash browns today because I got leftover mashed taters. We're going to make tater cakes. We're going to try this simple way. So here we go. Let me get you aimed down here. Down, chow. Where you can see in the bowl, man. Right there, just like this. Just like this. In the bowl, we have nothing. And there you have it, folks. No, taters. Now I'm not going to put them all in there because I do want to save some taters and whatnots. I'm just going to put about half of them. A nice lump, if you will, of taters. And now I can't close the bag because I did this. See that? It got up in the zippy thing. Well, you know what? I'll just get some on the counter. Screw it. Good enough. Okay. In here, there's a little bit of taters. I'm going to bust up an egg. I got the oven preheating over there, medium, 6. Right down the middle. I'll put an egg in here. Plop, just like so. Dun dun dun. Now we're going to put some flour. I'm going to bust this up in here first. I want to see how liquidy it gets. I want to stir it up like this. See? Liquidy. Bust it all up. Bust it all up. Make a liquidy mess. Like so. There we go. Now, I'm going to start adding some flour in here until I make kind of a battery kind of consistency. Consistency. There's your big word for the day. So a little flour. Stir it up. Mix it in. Mix it in. This ain't going to be bad. Oh crap, I forgot to left the salt and pepper over there. Again, I get to go get it. Here we go, here we go. Mixing, 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 mixing. Little bit more flour. Like so. You can put cheese in here, bacon chunks, whatever you want technically to season it up. I'm just going to do a little salt and pepper, which I left out. A little more of this. A little more flour. I want it just a little bit more. There we go. A little bit more like this. Like so. Just like that. Looks good to me. That's just a little bit of flour there. I'll just get rid of it. We'll mix it in. Mix it in because I don't feel like putting it back. Mix, 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 mix. Get the flour in mixed in the bowl. Okay, I'm going to go get the salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Do it this way. Salt, pepper. And put some pepper in here like so. Little pepper like that. Little dash of salt like this. However much you want, or none. Doesn't matter. Don't make no difference to me none. It's your tater cakes. Mix, mix, mix. Just like so. Now, there we go. We're going to move you over here. It's time to go over there. If you can see over there. The stove. Here we are. We got our stove on medium. Just like so. Oh yeah, there you go. Right there. We got a spatula. No stick, so use plastic. And we're going to smother a little bit of, this is bacon grease. A little bit of bacon grease in the bowl here. In the bowl. In the pan, dumb shit. In the pan. Like so. We'll put a little bit of oil in there. This is just vegetable oil. Use what you want. Doesn't matter. Put a little bit of that in there. Like so. Just like so. Now, we're going to grab us up. Let's mix this around a little bit in here. Let that melt. Look at it go. Almost looks like an ice cube. Help, I'm melting. Okay, that's gone. Now, get a little bit of this on our thingy here. That looks about good. Splather it right in the middle here. Splather, damn you. Kind of smush it out. Make a cute little tater cake. Look at that. There's one. In fact, I can shake it around a little bit. Over to that side, and I'll put one on this side. Why not? Why the hell not? Just because. Right? Yeah. That looks like a happy tater cake. It is right there. And these are warmed up to almost room temperature. Right at room temperature. Close to it. You just don't want to put them in cold, because they'll not cook right. Be cold in the middle and hot on the outside. And everybody will be like, BLG, you fucking lied. I'll be like, no, I didn't. You didn't do it right. You come over here. You grab one of these. I'm just cleaning up my mess over here. Those are going to sit there for a minute. And then we're browning up. They're going to go for a little while on each side, a couple of minutes probably. While they're doing that, I can show you something. Proof that yesterday's experiment works. Look at here. Remember we did the chicken pizza crust. Well, the old lady made chicken pizza crust. Looks like sausage and cheese pizza. Look at that. And that's the chicken crust. It is a piece of pizza. See that? Piece of pizza. Not pizza. Pizza. So it does work. Haha. It works and I didn't lie. Here we go. Mix this up. Clean this over here a little bit more. Got a little bit there going. Smells like good bacony goodness and stuff. These are going to go for a little bit. Each side, like I said. I don't think you'd want to deep fry these. You'd have to make them thicker. Probably more flour or something. But I don't think I would. I don't want to screw up my new deep fryer. And that's not going to happen, Chief. Let these sit. They'll get brown and firmed up on one side. Then we'll flip them with these things. You know, and like that. Back into the grease. But you can put garlic, you can put cheese, you can put, I don't care, cayenne pepper if you want. Whatever you want to make out of them. Chop up some onion. Yep. Green onions, scallions, or whatever. Anything you want, put in here. Mine's going to get smothered up with a sunny side up egg and sausage gravy and biscuit, so I don't really care. They're going to be good. Let these bad boys brown up on each side. I actually turned up to medium high. I turned up to 7.5. I'm in a hurry. I can't just like pause this. I don't feel like splicing a video together. We're just going to do it up. I'll do these two. That's good enough to show you. I'm gonna get me a little plate to catch them on when they get done. Like that. Little plate. Catcher plate. Indeed. Fry, my little friends. Fry. Cook. Doobie-doo. Cook. And I can see them starting to crisp. See? Look, they're starting to get brown on the edges. Move them around a little bit. Make sure they ain't stuck. They're not. Very nice. Very nicely done. You know what? I bet you could put a deeper oil in here and just drop them in. Poop them out there, and I'll bet they would fry deep fried in a pan, not your deep fryer. I bet that would work. I don't know. I might try that sometime. Not right now. We're cooking. Now we're cooking with hot grease. Ha ha. See what we got here. See, can I get under them? And flip. No. Come back, you slippery bastard. And flip him. No, that didn't work either. Shit. Flip. Oh yeah, look at that. And this one's ready to flip. And nope, that didn't work. And flip. Not on top. Mayday, mayday, we have a problem going on. Grab this. No, get off of him. Stop fucking. You got pancake fuckery going on. No, damn it. That's fine. I can fix that. I can fix that. La 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 la. Looking good. Looking good. Stupid flippy thing. La 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 la. Hey, hey, don't you do that. Don't you do that, mate. See, it makes looks like a little piece of French toast. That's kind of cool. I'm doing it this way because I've never done it this way before. I've always just learned that you just let them get room temperature, and then you make a patty, and you coat it with flour and fry it that way. This is actually working pretty cool. Look at that. It's got good stability to it. It looks like a pancake. Tater pancake. That's badass. Except for this part. I'll fix that. I'll flip it back over for a minute. In fact, I want to see what it looks like. Or if you... you snot, yeah. Oh, I'm trying to flip it without splashing all over the place. It's not going to happen. That one's on the floor. Wow, hot. I hate this flipper thing. Okay, well, that one's on the floor. You got to see the first failure on hands-on with BLG. This one's ready to come out, though. So we're going to take this one out. Flip him back over. And that's what it looks like. That pisses me off. How am I going to get that off the floor? These can come out. That's a fail. I'm going to put them in this glass if I can. Damn it, now I want redemption. Now it's redemption time. Now I'm pissed. We're going to put another one in here. Son of a bitch. Hey, look at this thing. You can't catch these if they fall, folks. I tried. It burnt my arm and stuff. Look at this. Look at that fucking thing down there on the floor. It's all sad. Damn it. I made a mess on the floor. Yes. Son of a bitch. I made a mess on the floor. Oh, I made a mess on the floor. Son of a bitch. Making a mess on the floor. Anyway, hell, I might as well just do the rest of them. Yep, there's only like one more left. I don't like that flippy thing. Doo-dah, doo-dah, that's fine. It's a no-stick pan and it's a no-stick flippy thing. So what can you expect? There we go. We'll make 3 little ones and call that a day. Shit. It's all sad. The BLG, why? I was looking so good. Well, I'm going to get a paper towel for this too. Suck up the extra grease. Paper towel on the plate. Pretty greasy when they come out. There we go. That'll look better. Put this here. Flip them. Flippage. I'm going to kick that heat back down now. There we go. Look at that. Now we're talking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh, look there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Nice. Looking good. Yes, yes. Put these on a paper plate here like that. Just like so. Don't know why, but they invented slanted shelves. That's a bad idea. Glasses keep trying to escape and crash to the floor. Okay, let's see what we got here. Shall we take a peek? Oh, yes. I'm going to say that one's pretty. Take him off. Put him on a paper plate thing or a paper towel on a plate to strain the extra oil. Just like that. Let's see what we got here. Beauty. Beauty, eh? Like that. See what we got here. Whoa, easy there, Pilgrim. That looks pretty good. Set you over here for a second. Like so. Give you a little dabble like that. I think I'm going to put a little bit extra pepper. I know you're still over there. I'm working on it. I'm getting slimy. I strained them on a paper towel. And then I transferred them over to a regular plate so I can show you what they look like on a regular plate. Now I'm all slimy. No, I'm not. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look at this one, folks, and see what we think. Here we go. Let's take a quick look at this. Look at it get up here on the counter. Look at those bad boys. A little extra pepper. You can put a little extra salt. Top them off with a little bit of green onion. Like that kind of thing. Whatever you want. That's them. And there you have it, folks. This episode of Hands On with BLG. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Especially throwing that one on the floor. That was kind of fun. But anyways, for Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I am Righty. We'll see you back here next exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. See you guys. Goodbye.